Hi, this is Deepak. I'll tell you one important concept that is basically about Kafka, how internally it will work, and how the notification is generated from the one node to the different node. What is one-to-one communication? What is one-to-many communication? In that, I'll tell you basically one-to-one communication. Producer will produce some notification. It will consume by the consumer. Basically, one-to-one communication. One-to-many producer will produce the message. It will consume by the multiple consumer. That is called consumer group. That is one-to-many communication. Just got it. Okay. How notification will generated in a real-time scenario? Insurance company will produce. Insurance company basically generate the notification like before policy is going to expire, before 10 days or 15 days, as per IRDA guideline. Before 30 days, it will generate some notification. Policy is going to expire. Please renew the policy, like that. That is the renewal notification. Policy cancellation notification. If it is not eligible to fulfill the guidelines, that is the basically policy cancellation notification. Or suppose OD notification. Suppose OD you are not eligible for the own damage policy. Basically, suppose he does not meet the guideline. That notification is also generated in health insurance. Suppose PD is there, that particular customer is not mentioned. He has pre-existing diseases like DVT, vein thrombosis, and there is cancer type disease, testicular disease, some or maybe kidney related diseases, or heart related cardiac thrombosis, not cardiac thrombosis, that is the vein thrombosis, that is called cardiac, that is pulmonary embolism, basically that type of disease. If it is there, you have to mention before taking policy. Okay, if he did not mention, after the checkup, policy is going to be cancelled and notification will generate. If a 1 million customer is there, multiple customer will take the policy. 1 million, suppose 10 to 6 notification will generate. How it is generated? That is basically Kafka concept comes into picture. How come Kafka will work internally? Suppose I draw a diagram, basically cannot see. I'll tell you all those concepts. Basically, producer is there, consumer is there. A notification will generated. Basically, it will work under the cluster. In cluster, broker 1, broker 2, broker 3, like that. It will be there. Broker is nothing but a server. Server 1, server 2, server 3, server 4 is there. It is a what it is called. It is partition. How is broker is partition? Suppose partition 1, partition 2, partition 3, partition 4, like that. A number of things will be there. Partition will be there in that. In that partition, offset will be there. Suppose all those, I forget to mention, all different notification, whatever it is generated, it is symbolized as a topic. Okay, different topic we can call. And that renewal notification is one topic. Policy cancellation is another topic. Through that topic, we can know whatever the notification it is. That basically a topic, it is already there. Value is also there, like messages. Okay, key is also there. Partition is there. And offset, I already told you in which mechanism it is basically used. Suppose that notification is generated, it is going to the server. Server is nothing but a broker. In broker, partition will be there. Through that partition, it will transfer to the basically consumer. Which consumer? Multiple consumer group will be there. Not consumer group. Multiple consumer will be there. That multiple consumer 1, 2, 3. That is called a group, consumer group. Okay, in that scenario, if real time scenario, if that broker 1 goes down, then how it will handle? Suppose notification that is renewal notification, 1 million notification generated, broker 1, but it goes down. In that scenario, multiple replica of broker will be there. Broker 1, in broker 1, partition 1 will be there. It goes down means replica of partition 1 in different broker. It will handle that what server goes down, whatever the application, it will take care of that. Okay, that is basically nothing but a distributed system. Distributed system is multiple server is there, nothing but a multiple broker. That is based on whatever I told you. That is the internal of Kafka. One more thing, important thing. If the client will send the request, producer will produce the notification. Yeah, publisher will publish the message. Many people think in one-to-one communication, I will tell you. Many people think it will act like a queue. Sequentially it goes, but internally it is not used. Queue data structure. Okay, that is the important thing. For multiple consumer group is there, it will handle. One example I will provide you. Suppose you uploaded a video in YouTube, basically, right? And that multiple bit rate will be there. If we uploaded a video for 80p, 720p, 1080p, 2160, like that, is there. If we uploaded the video, means it will go to the multiple server. Okay, in that server, nothing but a broker. In that broker, partition will be there. Partition will be divided by offset. So that it will work on that. It will go to the different broker and different consumer, and the producers, all whatever the client want, basically. Suppose uploaded a video in that server, means it will successfully uploaded that the output, basically. Okay, it is what. And that most of the real time used Apache Kafka with compared to RabbitMQ, because throughput is good in Apache Kafka. Basically, heavy load scenario it can handle easily. That's why that Kafka is heavily used. Replication partition, I already told you. Message structure is like that. All those jargon in e-commerce, basically, it is used heavily. E-commerce application, Amazon, that Flipkart is used heavily. That is the producer, I already told. Consumer, topic, broker, cluster. Partition is there, offset is there, replica I already told, consumer group, all those things will be internally, it will work in all those components. Okay, publisher, subscriber, I already told. That is the basically async communication, I already told. That is based on this model. That is beautifully internally. It work. If you go internally for high level designing part, that is you can feel thrilling. It is the best concept how it internally to work. Okay, bye.